everybody, thank you for watching. Who is she? I have bangs. I used to have bangs when I was in high school and it was tragic. My hair fried off a little bit from the bleach and I feel like maybe it's also new growth, so I've been blowing them out like bangs, and I feel like a lot of people have been asking how I've been doing it, so if you guys want to see how to get this big, voluminous bombshell hair, let's keep watching. Dark hair. Carli is back in business, baby. Don't know what came over me, but I was like, I miss my healthy, shiny hair. I actually have bangs without even having to cut them. So I've been styling them like bangs and I don't know how I feel about them. Like, I've never been a bang person. I'm just gonna run with it for a little while. So I wanted to show you guys how I've been styling them because so many people are asking me and I'm still figuring it out for myself. My hair is naturally very, very curly, so I blew it out. I took a shower yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I blew it out straight. And you can see right now, like, you can't even tell that I have bangs. But let me teach you what I've been doing. I take a brush about this size, and of course my beautiful blow dryer, and I'm just gonna brush the bangs forward. I literally just take like this section of hair, which is all different lengths, the brush. Let it sit for a minute. So I feel like I'm gonna do the bangs for now, but once summer comes, there's no way this girl can have bangs. When I was in Nashville, we went out and we were dancing the night away, sweating, and you should have seen what my hair looked like at the end of the night. And I'm like, this is why I never had bangs. Done that. Just gonna like place them where you want them, which is always the hardest part. And I felt like every time I was talking to someone, I was like, I couldn't, it's like that anxiety of not knowing where they're laying for me. So I just kind of like blow them out into my face. And then I'm gonna go in, take all of my hair to the front. I have a curling iron and I'm just gonna start grabbing. Just take the hair and now, I'm always a fan of pinning the hair. For me, it makes a huge difference in lasting because my hair is really heavy. So I recommend pinning them and spraying it if you want the style to last. I've been loving like this big blowout type of look. You grab bigger pieces to make it look like professional blowout. I haven't done a keratin in over a year, so my hair is extra frizzy, so there's no way I'm doing a blowout and it's staying. I have to use a curling iron. The day before I took my nails off, I had a dream that my nails broke and I started playing guitar again. You guys remember that? And then that next day, I ended up breaking 2 nails. So I was like, okay, this is a sign. Taking my nails off to give them like a little bit of a break because they've been on for a while. So I think I'm gonna start playing guitar again because that's just been my lifelong dream. Is that so much to ask? How cool would that be if I could like fully play guitar? Ultimate fantasy of becoming a country music star. Well, maybe come true. You never know, guys. So let me manifest. Vibes. Okay, let me stop rambling. So now I'm just gonna I'm gonna use the curling iron on the bangs just to like give that extra frizz-free look, but I need to go back in with the curling iron because for me it looks like too stringy when I just leave it like that. doing this, I'm just going back over like that way. The same way I was doing it with the curling iron, I mean with the blow dryer. Cute. I really love this free styler hairspray by Orbi because it's super, super lightweight. I hate like a really hard hairspray. I like my hair like super fluffy and I have anxiety, so like I'm always fixing my hair. So I feel like if it was just like hairspray, it was like super hard hairspray, I would have anxiety the entire night, not that I don't anyway. So I noticed when I use the curling iron on my bangs, I like them more fluffy. So I'm just gonna go back in with the curling, this. I'm gonna just let it sit like in this because it's just fluffier and I feel like my front of my hair is thinner, so it just doesn't look as good. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes and I will show you guys how to style it. Back when I started on YouTube, I did a blow dry tutorial where like I kept the brushes in my hair like this because I used to go to this place that they would do that. And it just reminded me. So we let it sit. I'm gonna take out the pins. It's so funny, like bangs. Like I just don't feel like myself, like Selena. Okay, so we're gonna spray it again. And I just like kind of fluff it. As I said, they're not really like cut into bangs properly, so like there's some stringy pieces, but then I'll take this part of my hair and like push it over to give like a lot of body right here. So you could even take like a little teasing comb. Oops. Then an extra spray. I love this stuff. It's actually hair. See? This is just gonna give you like body. It's actually empty. Without having to tease, because I'll tease a little bit of my hair, but like I said, I like my hair soft and flexible, and like I like to like zhuzh it up, you know what I'm saying? So I can't have any teased stiff hair. It's just not right. So like again, no pro, believe me. But got a little Sabrina Carpenter vibe, right, with these things. Big hair, baby. I love me some big hair. I mean, I'm from Jersey, so you know how it goes. This is the final result. This is how I've been styling my hair. What do we think? Do we keep the bangs? Do we not? Like I said, once summer comes, there's no way these bangs are gonna be good because of my curly hair. But, well, it's frigid and 20 degrees outside. What do you think? I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.